So today we got some strawberry crunch or strawberry shortcake crunch cookies, like the little icicle pops, and made by Tasia. All things by Tasia. I'll tag it right here. Let's see what it's him for. I got 4 cookies. It's soft. Sweet. I hate boxes like this. Alright, bro. So, need some drink. But the cookies were nice and soft and sweet. And I really taste the strawberry shortcake. It's pretty good. And, yeah. They were as I expected. Like, I knew they were going to be good. This is the first time I ever had some cookies like this. It's kind of like remind me of crumble cookie, like all the flavors they got. But this is definitely a good dessert. Y'all should check it out.